Well, hi, hello, welcome to Good Health, and today we are going to discuss about healthy breakfast. And now I'm going to say about the top 5 ways to make your omelets healthier and more filling. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods out there and they are consumed the world over as part of the first meal of the day. The popularity of eggs isn't just a result of their easy availability and inexpensive nature, but more importantly because of their ability to double up as a whole meal. You can get as experimental with eggs as you wish and turn them into simple and light snack dishes or gourmet meals. However, for breakfast, most people prefer consuming quick and classic egg dishes, including scrambled eggs, sunny side up, or in the form of omelettes. This last one is popular with health freaks as it leaves a lot of space for creativity and for squeezing in as many healthy ingredients as one likes. Although omelettes are one of the healthiest breakfast foods you can consume for breakfast, we often end up in fact unintentionally adding a lot more calories to them than we like. There are a number of easy tips and tricks to sneak in more nutrition and reduce unhealthy calories while preparing omelettes for breakfast. There isn't any set rule to what you can and cannot add to your omelette, especially if you like making stuffed ones. But there are some things that you should remember while making your morning omelette if you wish to make them more nutritious and less calorie intensive. Here are a few easy tips to make your omelette healthier. And the first one, add more veggies to your omelette. The best way to add fiber and more vitamins and minerals to your breakfast omelette is add vegetables to it. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, and some examples of veggies that are commonly added to omelettes. These veggies boost the nutritional profile of your dish and make it more filling. You can either add the veggies directly to the omelette or you can stir fry veggies of your choice and stuff your omelette with this. Well, how to make your omelette healthier? Add veggies to make it more nutritious. And moving to the next one, add more protein to it. This one is for the ones who work out and are looking to shed kilos. Protein aids weight loss and also helps you gain muscle mass. Additionally, protein keeps you full for longer, and that's why adding more protein-rich ingredients to your breakfast omelette can help you a great deal. Add stuff like white mushrooms and quinoa to your omelette to bump up its protein power. It also adds more flavor and lends a unique texture to your omelette. Well, moving to the next one and the third one, cook it in healthy fats. Instead of using processed vegetable oil or butter to cook your omelette, you can use healthier fats like coconut oil, mustard oil, or olive oil. This drastically reduces the unhealthy fats in your omelette. If you must use butter to cook your omelette, try and limit the amount to just a teaspoon or 2 for each omelette. Well, moving to the next and the fourth one, add healthier meats and cheese to it. Not all types of cheese are bad. Cheeses like feta, cottage cheese, and Swiss cheese are healthy sources of protein and calcium. So, dish processed cheeses and opt for these healthier alternatives. Similarly, add boiled and shredded chicken or turkey to your omelette instead of going for red meat additions like bacon bits. How to make omelette healthier? Dish processed cheese for healthier alternatives. And move to the next one and the fifth one, choose the right seasoning. Well, it is an interesting one. Seasoning your omelettes the right way may also go a long way in boosting your health. Add some pepper, paprika, cumin, etc. to your breakfast omelette to give your metabolism a jumping start and a kick growth. Some other healthy additions to your omelette include chia seeds or flax seeds, either whole or a ground one, as well as bell peppers and black beans. It's important that your breakfast is filling and healthy so that you have enough energy to sail through hectic mornings. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to Eagle Health. Thanks for watching. Namaste.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.